As a swimmer, especially as a winter swimmer, it's good to have dry and protected ears, and that's why I got these earplugs from Hearprotek. Here I have one, and you can see it says L for left, and you have to put this piece not this way. No, I realized you have to take it off and put it the other way on. They are called what are they called? Secure wings. They are called secure wings. And now we have the other side, the right one, and you also see the notch, and you have to put the secure wing on, and then you can use it. Right, that's the container it comes in. They come in, and now we take a look at this other pair. In each pack you have two different sizes of earplugs, big, and this is a small size. Yeah, and three sizes of secure wings. In the back you can see the secure wings to put into the ear. I'll show you again the three sizes. Left are the biggest, medium, and the smallest are on the right, depending on the size of your ear. I'll show you later how to put them in, that they cannot fall out. Here you see them next to each other. They are in bright colors, so if you should drop them into the water, they are very easy to be found again. On the left side is the newest development, and the green one on the right side is the older pair. They're both very handy, very easy to use, and they keep your ears dry. And in the last part I will show you how to put them in, so ears are protected and they could never fall out. That's the way. Okay, thank you for watching, and bye bye.